What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So behind me you can see the 4-foot Asian fish aquarium. Well, almost Asian fish. I've got some Otto Sinclair's catfish in there, but you can allow me those, right? Surely we can allow those. Anyway, at the moment I've got schooling fish, I've got cleanup crews, I've got all that sort of thing. I've got the clam in there as well. Hang on. Clam update, everyone. He or she has gone vertical. What? How or why? I don't even know, but yeah, this seems to be the perfect spot because I've seen a wood shrimp down there. We go, look, the wood shrimp's down here. Vlad, the vampire shrimp, is probably underneath, tucked in there somewhere as well. All around this area is where all the sort of filter feeders seem to congregate, so that's working out really well. Yeah, and at the top you can see here we've got our schooling fish, which is the Harlequin Rasboras. They're doing really well. Really good fish for sort of swimming in that top area and creating interest there. But this aquarium doesn't have what I would call a feature fish, you know, the main sort of focal point fish. Now, it's an Asian aquarium, so what better feature fish than gouramis? Now, the store I go to regularly, you guys see in my videos, just got some powder blue gouramis in. They look stunning, and I think that'd be a really good addition to this tank. The blues will really stand out. Well, first of all, I've got to sort it out because it's grown nut. I mean, what? Okay, let me sort that out now. Nice little haul of pearlweed there. I no idea what I'm going to do with all this, but I just can't throw stuff away, so I've just wrapped them up with a little bit of the old I think this is magnesium, not lead, so everyone worrying about it poisoning fish, it doesn't do that. And then some what's that called, filter floss as well wrapped around. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We got 8. Is that 8? Yeah, 8. Awesome. 8 trolls heads.
They grow up so fast.
And this is my current spare tank, 90 centimeters. This is going to be something cool, but at the moment I'm using it as plant storage, so it makes sense to put all that pearlweed in there as well. There we go, look, that is looking great. It's a little bit of a sort of yellowiness to the pearlweed there. Now, another reason why I should have kept on top of the trimming is because there's no light reaching that area, so that's what's happened. But everywhere else, looking really good. And also, round here, look, I told you, Vlad. Hello, fella. Apparently he is a male. I'm not sure myself. I wouldn't really know the difference, but yeah, look, right with his little friend, Mr. Clam, or Mrs. Clam, again, don't know. Oh, careful. Back it up. Back it up. But yeah, what do you say we go get some cool powder gouramis for this aquarium, or maybe some other gouramis? I'm not even sure yet, but I know it's a decent size, so we can have quite a few of the dwarf gourami varieties. But what you don't want to do, apparently, is keep multiple males together, even in a big tank. Apparently it can work, and it probably will do with my type of scape, with tons of escape routes and little areas for territories. But why take the risk? I'm going to go with 1 male and 3 females, hopefully. I mean, I say why take the risk. I did just put together a female beta sorority tank, which is doing really well, but still. And this is that tank, guys. So it's been set up now for nearly a week, and it's had fish in it for 4 days exactly now. So yeah, there we go, still doing really well. So that is the red. What else we got? Oh yeah, we've got 2 purples here and a blue, and so basically all looking really good so far. As you can see, the fins on them are looking really good and healthy. There's no nips. There's not been any sort of argument so far either, which is great. One of the reasons is that I bought all these together from the same batch, if you like, and apparently that really does help in terms of sort of stopping aggression between them. They're kind of like used to each other. See, they're swimming around each other all the time with no problems. And this one at the back here, this white one, I don't know why, but it is just my favourite. Absolutely lovely little thing, look. Come to the front, come to see me, are you? No, you don't want to come to see me. Okay, bye. See you later. See you later, nice knowing you. Really pleased with the progress of this so far. The plants are growing great already. I mean, look at that Rotala HRI that's already pointing upright and growing. It's doubled in size since I put it in like 5-6 days. And then the Walichi Rotala as well, already standing up, growing. That will actually grow just like that one there. It's just a sort of baby variety, if you like. And the Myophyllum, or I think that's how you say it, that's just reached the surface already. That stuff grows crazy fast. It's a bit more of a sort of oxygenating pond plant, but it works really well. And it's so green, isn't it? The whole lot's green. Oh, I love this tank. But yeah, anyway, let's go get those dwarf gouramis. Click subscribe. Gotta get masked up. ideal. So ratio I've read is, do you mind being on video?
I can be.
So ratio I've read is 1 male to say 2 to 3 females.
Yeah, more females better.
Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, okay, I definitely want to do one of the powder blues.
Okay.
And then 3 of the females as well. They're all the same pretty much, aren't they, the female? Oh no. Well, yeah they are, but that's okay. So magic. Okay, so we've got our fish. Now I'm just going to put them straight in the tank, let them temperature acclimate. It's so hard to say that. I'm not doing it again. Temperature acclimate for 30 minutes or so. So those bad boys and girls are just temperature acclimating. Now you're probably thinking, what about quarantine? How come you're putting them straight in? You've just had deaths and fish and all that sort of thing. Well, the place I got this from, I fully trust those guys. You know, I talked to them quite a bit and they said they've been in for over a week. They've been monitoring them. They look absolutely perfect. No signs of any issues. And I'm happy just to put them straight in. It's not going to be an issue at all. Fully planted tank, fully cycled. But guys, if you're ever not sure, you should always quarantine your fish. I'm just really happy with these ones and I'm happy with that shop. So we'll just give them a few more minutes because they've been in there for about 20 now and then I can put them in. So the fish have now been in the tank for 30 minutes acclimating, they're ready, they can go into the net. Now ignore all that stuff, there's something going on there at the moment. But you guys have been saying to me how, it just makes me laugh when I read the comments. They're like, do you ever use that kettle for anything other than just to hold the back down? Yeah, occasionally I do use it for actual hot water, but no, I think the majority of the time I just put it on the back there to stop that sliding in when I put the fish in. But it works, you know? Oh yeah, and before you all go mad, fairy liquid and glass cleaner. I only ever use these products onto paper towel and then touch like the outside of the glass or anything, so they're never getting sprayed in the water or anything like that. So yeah, nothing to worry about there. Things like washing up liquid and that can be quite toxic, so don't wash your tanks with them. And plus, I've had this happen before, believe it or not. My son's put some into one of the tanks back in the old studio. It didn't have any fish in, thankfully, at the time because I just built it. And I woke up in the morning and there was froth everywhere. So that isn't good. Okay guys, in we go. Now I'm going with the females first. I just want them to sort of settle in and find a place before the male goes in. Go on then, out you come. Out you come. And you, yep. There we go. Oh, they seem very, very calm, which is good. Straight down to the bottom there. Let's come round. Hey, look, don't they look great? I mean, they're not anything like coloured up as to what they're going to be like, but they instantly look so good against the green, didn't they? And they're nowhere near as sort of brightly coloured as the male either. So I can't wait. Oh, let's get him in as well. Let's get him in. Okay, and he goes, I don't want him to get stressed. There you go, he'll probably find his way out instantly. He's far more feisty than the other two, or the other three, sorry, the females. Seems like he's just gonna own this tank. Come on, out you come. Scoot backwards on him, there we go. Nice. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Do you know what, guys? I'd go as far as to say this blue is as vibrant, if not nearly as vibrant as the discus. I mean, look, let me spin round. Hello guys, look at the blues on them. Now, granted, the tank is a little bit darker, but look how blue they are. And then over to the new Gourami, who's not even coloured up fully yet. He looks so good. This is your tank, fella. You are the boss, you're the king. Where's he going? He's gonna try and find those females, I expect. Because in the shop, obviously, he wasn't even with females. He looks so good, look at him, look at the colours. Let's come around this way. Keep a distance, I don't want to scare him. Oh, I'm going to love this. I am going to love this. Remember, guys, this is my desk. I'm actually sat here editing this video, the filming I've done so far. And look at that. How good is that for a view just when you're working away? La 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 la, tap 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 tap. Oh, hello, Mr. Gourami. Okay, the other fish don't seem to be bothered. He's not even harassing them or anything. I don't know if they do. Oh, maybe. No, seems good. There's the female, male. It's a standoff. He's like, hello, lovely to meet you. I'm an absolute gentleman, yes. Oh, good, brilliant. That's, oh, you might be able to see as well that tank behind me. Timmy's new tank coming soon. That's going to be the weekend build video, guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click subscribe, and then you'll get a notification if you turn that on as well. Ready for that one. Saturday, that's going to be built. That's just the hardscape. I'm not finished at all yet, by the way. Oh, where's my fish gone? Here we go. Okay, so the male and the female are getting quite close here, look. Which is what we want to see. Hopefully we get some breeding. That would be cool, wouldn't it? They make bubble nests, don't they, these guys? Now, I think the females are younger than the male because they're smaller, because the females get a little bit bigger from what I've read. There's not a lot in it, and let's face it, I'm going to have them up to size in no time. God, really, really nice looking fish these are. I've had gouramis before. I've had pearl gouramis, and I've had honey gouramis. Let me know, guys, could I put more gouramis in here? I don't really know enough to know if they could. Basically, I knew that you should have 3:1 ratio male to female, but it didn't say what tank size, or I didn't see what size. I mean, it's a big tank. Could I have another male and another set of females of, say, honey gouramis? Is it okay to mix? I'm not even sure. Remember, guys, I'm quite new to this hobby relative to some of you, so sometimes I might ask dumb questions like that, and you might be thinking, this guy's got 2 studios and like 50 tanks. He doesn't even know that, but I'm quite new. I've only been doing it a few years, remember? But to be honest, I think maybe that's it. That could be just the stocking for this tank. I wouldn't be disappointed with that. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Especially those greens and just those little flashes of blue as you're moving around. Oh, I absolutely love them. Put this down. They seem to really be liking the tank as well. Struggling to speak. They really do seem to be liking the tank. Look, this one's going in a little area there. He sort of seems to be going around and just checking the place out and owning it, really. Look, she's following like, hi. Oh, really, really good choice. Really happy with that. Even from back at a distance like this, you can see how good they look, just sort of floating around. So is the tank nearing completion, guys? I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Obviously, I wouldn't be tearing it down anytime soon. I want to be able to enjoy all the fish and the whole tank in its entirety before we do anything like that. But you know what I'm like? I do like to keep moving forward often, learning new things, trying out new things. But so far, loving this. So it's been about an hour, and the females have coloured up beautifully. What they tend to be doing is finding a little spot. Like, look at this one up here. Just sitting nicely in there, just chilling. I guess that's like just to feel safe. This female's come out. There was another one that was in that little gap there, but I think it's moved around. The male is looking insane. Where is he? Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Look. Whoa, sorry, guy. Look at him. Look at those colours. He's looking sick. I've just been sat here working. He just keeps going back and forwards. And at one point, he came right to the front here and just stared at me. And was just staring. And I was like, this is awkward. Oh, but I'm so happy with my choice. Would you guys... Oh, sorry. Didn't like that. Yeah, so happy with my choice. He's going to be a little bit spooked for a while until he gets used to me being around the area. None of the other fish get scared at all, see? They're all just completely used to me being here. And he will be soon as well. But did I make the right choice, guys? Would you have picked the powder gourami? Or would you have gone for something different? I know that honey gouramis can be really, really peaceful, and you could probably get quite a lot of them. But I like the idea of having like a real feature fish, and he definitely is that feature fish, and the females sort of like, you know, sidekicks, if you like. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.